Hello and welcome to this week's edition of CGConnect, brought to you by Clifford, Gouldson lawyers. This week we're standing in front of the beautiful Empire Theatre and I'm here with Sam Davidson, the head of our intellectual property practice at Clifford, Gouldson lawyers. Hi Sam.
Thanks Ben.
I thought we'd come to you this week from the Empire Theatre because an event that's coming up on the 27th of July 2017 at this beautiful venue is the Big Ideas Summit, and Clifford Gouldson is very proud to be the lead sponsor of that event. The Big Ideas Summit, previously known as the Innovation, Leadership and Strategy Summit, is coming to you again this year. And Sam, tell people a little bit about what they can expect on that day.
There is a lot going to be going on. There's going to be more than 350 businesses attending. There's going to be 2 keynote speakers, 11 industry speakers, and a number of masterclasses or workshops for people to attend. And Clifford Gouldson is particularly proud to sponsor this because we believe as a firm that it is really important to support young professionals, and this is an opportunity for them to learn, to network with one another and collaborate to drive their businesses forward.
Fantastic, Sam. Tell people a little bit about the IP practice at Clifford Gouldson lawyers, if you don't mind, Sam. You've been with us for over 4 years now.
Yeah.
What's been going on in that time?
Well, in that time I've seen a lot of growth and a lot of change here in the region. Initially I thought, what's going to be on my plate as an IP lawyer coming from overseas and capital cities to this region, and I have been absolutely shocked. There is so much happening here. We've gone from a time when people weren't really sure what the concept was about to being inundated with individuals and businesses who are at the cutting edge of technology and what is happening in the IP space.
So what sort of things do you do to help our IP clients with IP?
Oh, look, it will very much depend on which client walks in the door on that particular day. We advise everyone from small businesses to very large businesses, and they obviously have different needs. Primarily, my job is to educate the business to make their own decisions about what is going to be best for their bottom line and their commercial goals.
So everything from identification of IP,
Yes.
to registering to protect that IP, right the way through to commercialising the IP, Sam.
Absolutely. Everything from trademarks to licensing, all that sort of protection of the intangibles that often businesses don't realise they can protect, such as trade secrets, for example.
Fantastic. Something else that's coming up shortly is a Business Essentials seminar. So you're speaking at that, aren't you, Sam?
I am. I'm co-presenting with Dan Goodman, who's also from our office. And what we're going to talk to you about that day is many businesses think, right, I've got my domain name, I've got my business name. What more do I need? But let me tell you, it's the difference between hailing a taxi and driving and owning your own car. Often people don't realise that there's not much ownership or rights in a domain name and a business name, and that can be taken from them. So that workshop will be all about empowering the business owner to make decisions about what they are going to do, how they can take steps themselves without having to involve lawyers to protect their business, and when they need to ask for advice.
Fantastic, Sam. So if you want to find out more about the Big Ideas Summit, you can go to www.bigideassummit.com.au, or if you'd like to come along to hear Sam and Dan, 2 of our IP lawyers, speak about domain names, business names and what else you need to be aware of at our Business Essentials seminar series, you can go to our website. Until we speak again, all the best to you, your business and your family, and bye-bye from Sam and I.
Goodbye.